Do you ever wish there was a magic button that could seamlessly connect your website directly to your appointment calendar, making booking a breeze for your clients and a dream for your business? If you're nodding your head, then you're in the right place, because today we're tackling a question that many of you have asked. Can I integrate Setmore into my website? The short answer, with a resounding drumroll, is absolutely, unequivocally yes. And not only can you, but it's remarkably straightforward, transforming your website from a digital brochure into a powerful, interactive scheduling hub. Gone are the days of endless back-and-forth emails, missed calls, or the frustration of manually coordinating schedules. With Setmore embedded directly into your website, your clients gain the autonomy to book appointments whenever and wherever it's convenient for them, whether that's 2 a.m. on a Tuesday or during their lunch break on a Friday. This isn't just about convenience. It's about optimizing your operations, enhancing customer satisfaction, and ultimately, growing your business. Think about it. A client browses your services on your website, feeling inspired, and then, in that very moment of inspiration, being able to book their desired appointment without ever leaving your site. That's the power of seamless integration, and it's a game changer. But how does this magic happen? Well, Setmore offers a few fantastic ways to make this integration a reality, catering to different levels of technical comfort and website platforms. Let's dive into the core methods, breaking down each one so you can choose the best fit for your needs. First up, we have the most popular and versatile option, the Setmore booking button. This is your go-to for adding a clear, clickable call to action on any page of your website. Imagine your website visitors scrolling through your services, reading glowing testimonials, and then seeing a prominent Book Now button that instantly takes them to your personalized Setmore booking page. That's exactly what the booking button does. It's incredibly easy to set up. Within your Setmore account, you'll find a dedicated section for Integrate or Apps and Integrations. From there, you can customize the appearance of your booking button, think colors, text, and even size, to perfectly match your website's aesthetic. Once you've designed it to your liking, Setmore generates a small snippet of code. Don't worry, you don't need to be a coding wizard. It's a simple copy and paste job. You just paste this code into the HTML of your website where you want the button to appear. Whether you're using a website builder like Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress, or even if you have a custom-coded site, there's a straightforward way to insert this HTML snippet. The beauty of the booking button is its simplicity and effectiveness in directing traffic to your scheduling portal. Next, for those who want an even more integrated experience, we have the Setmore booking widget, also known as the embedded calendar. This takes things a step further by allowing your entire booking calendar to appear directly within a specific page of your website. Instead of clicking a button that redirects them, your clients can see your availability, choose a service, and select a time slot all without leaving your website's environment. This creates a truly seamless user journey, minimizing clicks and potential friction. The setup process is similar to the booking button. You'll access the embed code from your Setmore account, which provides a more extensive piece of HTML. This code is then pasted into the HTML of the specific page on your website where you want the calendar to appear. This is particularly useful for a dedicated book and appointment page, or even a section on your Contact Us page. The embedded calendar is perfect for businesses that want to provide a rich, interactive scheduling experience directly on their site, keeping visitors engaged and making the booking process as smooth as possible. Beyond these core methods, Setmore also offers integrations with various popular website builders and content management systems, CMS. For instance, if you're using WordPress, there are often dedicated plugins that simplify the integration process even further, sometimes allowing you to add Setmore functionality with just a few clicks without even touching any code. Similarly, platforms like Wix and Squarespace often have built-in functionalities or app marketplaces that streamline the process of adding Setmore, recognizing its popularity and utility for businesses. These platform-specific integrations often provide even more control over the appearance and placement of your booking elements, making it easier to maintain a consistent brand experience. So why go through the effort of integrating Setmore into your website? The benefits are manifold and directly impact your bottom line. Firstly, it provides 24/7 booking availability. Your website is always open, And with Setmore integrated, your booking system is too. This means clients can book appointments outside of your business hours, capturing leads you might otherwise miss. Secondly, it drastically reduces administrative overhead. Imagine the time saved by not having to answer every phone call or email for appointment inquiries. Setmore automates the entire process, from showing availability to sending confirmation emails and even reminders. Thirdly, it improves the customer experience. Modern consumers expect convenience and self-service. By offering online booking, you're meeting those expectations and providing a frictionless path to conversion. Fourthly, it minimizes no-shows. Setmore's automated reminders, sent directly to your clients, significantly reduce the likelihood of missed appointments, which translates directly to more revenue for your business. And finally, it centralizes your scheduling. All your appointments, whether booked through your website, your social media, or directly by you, are managed within one intuitive Setmore dashboard, giving you a comprehensive overview of your schedule at all times. Before you dive in, here are a few pro tips to maximize your Setmore integration. Always test your booking flow thoroughly after you've integrated it. Go through the entire process as if you were a client, from selecting a service to confirming the appointment, to ensure everything is working seamlessly. Make sure your services and staff schedules are up to date in Setmore to avoid any discrepancies or double bookings. Clearly promote your online booking option on your website. Make it easy for visitors to find. Consider adding a prominent Book Now button in your navigation menu or header. And finally, don't forget to leverage Setmore's other features, like staff logins, payment integrations, and even video conferencing links, to further enhance your service delivery. Integrating Setmore into your website isn't just about adding a button. It's about transforming your online presence into a dynamic, efficient, and client-friendly booking engine. It empowers your customers, streamlines your operations, and ultimately, frees up your valuable time so you can focus on what you do best, providing exceptional service. It's a small investment in time for a huge return in efficiency and customer satisfaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.